Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Coteau-du-Lac is a small municipality in western Quebec, located along the north shore of the St. Lawrence River, west of Montreal and near the Ontario border. The community is part of the Vaudreuil-Soulanges region and has a population of roughly 8,000 people. Coteau-du-Lac is known for its historic canals, waterfront scenery, residential neighborhoods, and strong connection to transportation history in Canada. The town combines historic landmarks, natural surroundings, and modern residential growth while maintaining a slower-paced atmosphere compared with larger nearby cities. The St. Lawrence River has shaped life in this region for thousands of years. Indigenous people traveled and traded along the river long before European settlement because it served as one of the main transportation routes across northeastern North America. French settlers later established farms and villages along the shoreline during the 1700s, taking advantage of fertile farmland and river access. The surrounding St. Lawrence Valley gradually developed into an important corridor for trade, transportation, and settlement throughout New France and later British North America. Coteau-du-Lac became historically important because of the rapids that once made navigation difficult along this section of the St. Lawrence River. During the late 1700s, British authorities built canals and locks here to allow boats to bypass the dangerous waters. The canal system at Coteau-du-Lac is considered one of the earliest lock canals in North America and represented a major engineering achievement for its time. These canals improved transportation between Montreal and the Great Lakes while also supporting military movement through the region. The area also played an important military role during the late 18th and early 19th centuries. Because control of the St. Lawrence River was critical for trade and defense, military fortifications and earthworks were built near the canal system. During periods such as the American Revolutionary War and the War of 1812, the region became strategically important for protecting British supply routes and transportation networks. Remains of these military structures can still be seen today at the Coteau-du-Lac National Historic Site. The Coteau-du-Lac National Historic Site remains one of the municipality's best-known attractions. Visitors can explore sections of the historic canal, locks, and military earthworks while learning about early transportation and defense in Canada. The site also includes walking paths and waterfront views along the river. It serves as an important reminder of how waterways shaped settlement and trade throughout Canadian history long before railways and highways existed. Agriculture remained central to life in the region for generations. Farms producing dairy products, crops, and livestock spread throughout the fertile St. Lawrence Valley surrounding Coteau-du-Lac. Even as residential development increased during recent decades, agriculture continued to shape much of the local landscape. Open farmland, wooded areas, and riverside scenery still define large parts of the municipality and surrounding region today. Transportation continues to influence Coteau-du-Lac in modern times. Autoroute 20 passes nearby and connects the municipality with Montreal to the east and eastern Ontario communities to the west. Railways and modern highways gradually replaced many older river transportation systems, but the St. Lawrence River remains central to the identity of the area. The municipality's location between major urban centers has helped support steady residential growth while allowing it to maintain a smaller community atmosphere. One of the largest projects affecting the region was the construction of the St. Lawrence Seaway during the 1950s. The Seaway modernized shipping between the Atlantic Ocean and the Great Lakes by allowing large ocean-going ships to travel farther inland into North America. The project transformed shorelines, waterways, canals, and transportation systems throughout southern Quebec and eastern Ontario. Although newer navigation systems replaced many earlier shipping routes, the historic canal at Coteau-du-Lac remained preserved as part of Canada's transportation heritage. Nature remains an important part of life in Coteau-du-Lac. The St. Lawrence River supports boating, fishing, and recreation throughout the warmer months, while nearby parks and green space provide areas for walking and outdoor activities. Seasonal changes shape the landscape throughout the year, from green summers and busy waterfront areas to colorful autumn foliage and snowy winter scenery common across southern Quebec. Wildlife, wetlands, and forests throughout the region continue to reflect the natural environment of the St. Lawrence Valley. Today, Coteau-du-Lac represents a combination of history, transportation, and waterfront, living along one of Canada's most important rivers. The municipality continues to grow as more people choose communities outside major urban centers while remaining connected to Montreal and Eastern Ontario. Historic canals, riverside parks, farmland, and residential neighborhoods all contribute to the identity of the town. Visitors passing through Coteau-du-Lac experience a community shaped by centuries of settlement, trade, engineering, and life along the St. Lawrence River. Thanks for watching!